So for the regular cleaning, firstly you have to have weekly wipe down. Dust and grime can accumulate on cabinet surface over time, making them to look dull and dirty. To prevent this, wipe them regularly and with a soft damp cloth once a week. The other thing is you can use the right cleaner. For more stubborn dirt and grease, use the mild dish soap mixed with water and cleaner specifically designed for kitchen cabinet to clean it more efficiently. So the second idea is to handling spills immediately. This is for you to prevent stains and damage. For example, kitchen cabinet, especially those made of wood or laminate, can be sensitive to spills and moistures. If something spills, clean it up as soon as possible using a soft damp cloth. Furthermore, the other tips is special care around sink and stove. Especially this kind of area, you need to pay extra attention to cabinet near the sink and stove, as this area are more prone to water and grease splatters. For the third tips is for you to protect the cabinet surfaces. Firstly, you can use the coaster and mats to prevent heat damage. Always place hot pots, pans or appliances on coaster or heat resistant mats before placing them on your cabinets or countertops, as this will protect your surface of countertops and cabinet. Other than that, use the shelf liners. Consider adding shelf liners to the interior of your cabinets, and liners can protect the wood and laminate from spills and scratches. So the fourth tips is for you to avoid the excess moisture. Excess moisture can cause significant damage to kitchen cabinet, leading to swelling, warping or even mold growth. So ensure your kitchen is well ventilated to reduce the moisture levels. Furthermore, you can use the quick wipe down technique. If you notice any moisture on your cabinet, don't let it just stay there, especially after cooking or washing dishes. Wipe it off immediately with a dry cloth to prevent long-term damage. So when it comes to the fifth tips, it's gonna be your hinge and hardware care. Firstly, you have to tightening screws over time. Screws on cabinet doors, handles and hinges can loosen due to regular use. Other than that, you have to regularly lubricating your hinges. Squeaky or stiff hinges can be annoying and may wear out faster. Apply small amount of lubricant and wipe off any excess lubricant to avoid it dripping onto the cabinets. By this, you can maintain your cabinets in long term. So for the sixth tips, you're gonna be the polishing and refinishing. Firstly, you can try to apply wood polish. Wooden cabinets benefit from regular polishing to maintain their shine and protect the wood. Use a good quality wood polish to do the polishing every few months to nourish the wood material. Other than that, you can try the refinishing method. If your cabinets are showing signs of wear, such as deep scratches, faded color or dull finish, you can consider refinishing, as it not only restores the appearance of your cabinets but also extend their lifespan. For the seventh tip is to not have intense cleaning, as you need to prevent the damage from the cleaning products. For example, the harsh cleaning products such as bleach and ammonia based cleaners can cause significant damage to your cabinets. Other than that, you have to avoid direct contact. For example, when using these products, be mindful of where you place them to avoid accidental spills. If a spill occurs, please clean it up immediately to prevent long-term damage. So for the last tips of the day, you have to have the proper usage of your cabinet. For example, you cannot overloading your cabinet and cause the shelves to sag or even break. Avoid this by organizing the contents of your cabinet. Distribute the weight evenly to avoid placing heavy items on the top shelves. Other than that, you have to do periodic organizing. Clean the interior of your cabinets regularly, removing all the items to wipe down the shelves and gives you the chance to check of any signs of pests such as droppings or chewed materials. We also have excellent carpentry for our kitchen cabinets and countertops, especially for the customization and innovation that are becoming more and more popular in the current era. Firstly, we offer dedicated cabinet consultant to accompany your journey of buying your own ideal kitchen cabinet and countertops. Secondly, we also go to further as finance your personal ideal kitchen cabinet. We offer 24 months of installments with 0% of interest. Last but not least, you will be given up to 3 times of free 3D drawings, and this is because we want to ensure that our craftsmanship, our customized kitchen cabinet and countertops will eventually meet your needs and desire according to your own household. Finally, remember to visit us at Taman Gaya to lock down the price now with us, as the price of renovation costs are keep increasing due to the supply chain and the economy of Malaysia. Act now.